Hello, this is practice set exercise 17.7 isFull. The problem reads, write a method isFull that returns whether or not a binary tree is full. True if it is, false if otherwise. A full binary tree is one in which every node has 0 or 2 children. Below are examples of each. And by definition, the empty tree is considered full. And assume that you're adding this method to the inTree class as defined below. Alright. So first we'll start by writing in our method. So we'll say public boolean is full, and then pretty simple for this, we'll just say return, and then to check whether if it's full or not, we're just gonna say full, and then we'll put the logic behind that inside of a separate method. So full and then overall root. All right, and we'll say private. And then we have private void. Oh, sorry. Since we're checking true or false, we do need to use boolean. So private boolean full. We have int tree node, right? And then, so first we'll say, by definition, the empty tree is considered full. So if our node is null, it's technically still a full tree. By definition, so we'll say return true. Alright, and then now we need to say that, so think of it this way, so technically this is a full tree because this one has 0 and this one has 2, but if it happens to just have 1 over here, then that's technically not a full tree, right? So we'll think of conditions like that. So if our node left, so think of it this way, if our node left, so if we have another one that extends this way, but we don't have one that extends this way, then that's false, right? So if node on the left is null, but our node on the right is not null, then that's going to be false, right? And then we'll reverse that to check. So if our node on the left is not null, but our node on the right is null, then that's still false, right? But other than these two conditions, then everything else should be true. So those are all the conditions that we just need to check for. And now we just need to return everything. So return full, and then we'll say node left, and then full, and then node right. Right, and then let's run it. Yep, all our test cases are passed, meaning the code is correct. And let me know if you have any questions, but otherwise that's all for this problem, and we'll see you next time.